Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your desktop background keeps turning black, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is to disable the startup apps. For that we'll go to the task manager, click on it, expand it for a better view and click on startup apps on the left hand corner. Now we will click on their status to check if they are enabled or disabled. Now disable whatever startup apps you feel are not required for the efficient usage of your PC. For example, I will disable Slack and I will disable DuckDuckGo Startup Boost, and I will keep disabling all the apps and I'll disable as many as I can because these apps normally interfere in the background. They start when Windows starts and they interfere in the background and they cause this issue with your graphics card driver which causes the black screen. The second thing I'll do is uninstall all the unneeded apps and games. So for that, I will right click on the start button, go to settings, then click on apps, installed apps, and I will look for those apps which I do not need. And especially, friends, if there is any gaming app on your computer and you don't need the game, then definitely you need to uninstall it because these games normally push in drivers that interfere with the graphics card driver and cause this exact black screen to happen. So I'll uninstall, clicked on the three buttons, uninstall, uninstall, yes, and it will uninstall in some time. So you keep uninstalling every app or game that you do not require, and this should normally fix the problem because these are the games and apps which push the drivers and cause the desktop to keep going, turning a black color. Now the next thing we can do is we can run an SFC scan. So, and before we do that, we will just update the graphics card driver. So we will go to device manager and we will look for display adapters and we will right click, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers, and we have updated the driver. Next, we will do an SFC scan. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, and we'll enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. We'll wait for the scan to finish and then we will restart the computer in the clean boot configuration. To do that, we'll look for system configuration, click on it, and then click on the services tab. Now, before we do anything else, we need to make absolutely sure that we have checked this box, hide all Microsoft services. Because if you disable any Microsoft service, then the computer might start working. It might not boot again. So we will remove all the third-party apps here, like Mozilla, McAfee, Google Update, which we don't need on startup, and we'll click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and click on restart. And once the computer starts again, you should no longer have this desktop turning black issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.